Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and save export presets in DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, I will come on the deliver page. I will click on this and then here I will do my settings. So let's say I will put a name which I will have to change every single time when I'm exporting. So for now it's Sony FX3 audio settings, and then I will choose my location. You can choose any of your locations. I'm keeping it on the desktop, and then you have your video settings, your audio settings, and your file settings. First of all, I will do the video settings. I will say QuickTime H.264. And then the resolution, because I'm uploading my videos on YouTube, I will always keep it on 3.8K UHD. Frame rate, I will always say keep it same as timeline frame rate. And then here I will come and I will choose my bitrate. So I will always put it as 20,000, and then encoding should be high all the time. Next thing, if I go in advanced settings, here first of all I want to make sure I keep the data levels on full, and then color space tag and gamma tag I keep it same as project. Data burn-in I keep it same as project, and here when you will come, these two things will not be enabled for you, and these are very important to enable because when you enable them, your video stays on the highest quality possible. So I say one more thing which is very important is if you come on the subtitles, this is very important. When you put your subtitles and you will export your video, you might not be able to see because here they are not enabled. So you come here, you enable them, and then I will say burn into the video, so they show on the video. Now I will come on the audio settings. I will come here, I will say codec as linear PCM. Sample rate you can choose whatever you want. I keep it 48,000. Bit depth I keep it on 32. You can stay with 24 or whatever you want. And output track I always say all timeline tracks. When you're done with your preset, you can create your own preset, and then you can come on this and then you say save as a new preset, and I will say my YouTube preset, and I can give it any logo. So I will say this logo and then I will save. If I go to any other project, I edited one project now, so I will go there, I will open that project, and now when I go back and I open my deliver page again, you can see it's not on the custom preset. I will go on my YouTube preset, and there you go, it have opened all the settings which you set. 3.8K UHD, QuickTime H.264, it's restricted to 20,000, and then you have the forced beer and everything enabled. Your subtitles are enabled, burnt into the video and everything. When I'm using this, I will just have to change the file name because it's going to be a new project, so I want to name it as that project. Now once you're done with making your preset, you can come here and you can go on the preset to export the preset. So if you want to use this preset on any of the other Macs or any of the other systems with the DaVinci Resolve, you can literally import that by coming here and you'll be able to use it, and you'll not have to create it again.